job. ನಾನು ಇವರು ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Condom inside, sir. Sir, you also come. Sir, you also come, sir.
I could guess your friend. I do not know where it is from. This is subject. They are coming up there. You ask them which give to our brother. For so many years he is with us, so is yours and ours brother. So I wanted to give on a nice day. One Scholastic India that they had a contest on Teachers' Day. The topic was my student and my teacher. My student and my teacher. But that when Jabba sir was here, he told all the teachers. But only Brad sir did. He sent a nice essay. I think you can learn from Brad sir to write essay now. You are 10th now?
Yes, miss.
You learn from me how to write essay. They sent one beautiful certificate and one small gift for Godson. Small gift to Godson. You are happy? How many years you are with him? 10 years. Or 12 years. Thank you. My teacher.
ਫਲਾਵਰ ਲਾਉਣ ਨੂੰ ਗਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਨਾ ਕੀ ਡੰਡੀਆਂ ਬਹੁਤਾ
ਕਰੀ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਬਸ ਕੱਟ ਲਾ
ਲੋਈ ਲੈਣੇ ਆ
ਬਹੁਤ ਜੋੜੋ ਜੋ ਸਾਰੇ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਗੇ
ਕਿੱਥੇ ਖਾ ਕੇ
ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ
ओके
Nowadays, the ground level water is decreasing. So, to save that water, we are measuring. In this, the rainwater is collected in a tank, and that water is used here. Here, the water goes directly to the seed drop by drop, and all of it directly goes to the seed. So, it is utilized a lot, and it gives a good product. And moreover, there is no need of any man in this. Whenever we sprinkle water, it is sprinkled, but maybe it doesn't go directly to the seed, and moreover, it needs a lot of effort and all. Here, there is no need of man directly, just on the nozzle or whatever the calcium, so that the water can go. And
बेंच के पीछे खड़ा बेंच पे
and another one is the remaining water we can use it in another way. Here it is used for fishing. Yes, it is. Very successful. It will give a nice product, but the water directly goes to the field.
It is beneficial for saving the water, but it is economically costly.
That what?
It is a conservation of water.
Conservation of water, but it is somewhat costly, but when we are, when the laborers are working in the fields, they also get money. In this, there is no need
In
of
Bihar, there
labor.
is no need of labor. Only automatic starters are there. Self-irrigation there.
But we know there is sprinkling of water, no? So that water may or may not go to the seed. In this, it will surely go to the seed because we will attach it in this.
They will saying same thing. It is a conservation of water, but it is not economical.
We can. It is also, but it is the wastage of water. No? By this we can save water as it is decreasing nowadays. Ground level water is just.
But it is very, very economical.
हर साइड पे थोड़ा
To save the water.
That's the thing, but we can utilize the reservoir. If there is no rain,
What is the cost of this irrigation? Irrigated for the crop irrigation. Apply this cost on last year. How much?
once we have to do but after that we can maybe
Difficult for one. Difficult for one. We are not able to continue. We are looking at it.
but with the help of this we can be a
So many connections are deprecations. But it is there. People are taking connections and the bits of fraud, then move it.
That is the main purpose.
We are the right.
Project is nice. Project is nice.
In this process, citric acid is here, which breaks into positive and negative ions, and which completes the circuit and the
Study your design.
by this slowly, and thus we can produce electricity from the battery.
What is indication?
How much electricity you can produce from this system?
So it's not ultimately it will not.
Your category is the current. According to them, that type on the top and that type on the bottom.
That only you have to find. Sir, it's a question that we have done a magic and you have to tell the answer why it's so. One egg is floating and other is stuck.
Okay. Tell me which system it is. They are using which principle of the system there? What system or what phenomenon it is?
Principle of flotation by activation. States that when the body is fully or wholly or partially submerged in a liquid, it experiences an upthrust force which is exerted by liquid upward on it, and that the body displaces a liquid which is equal to that upthrust. Because its density is less than the water which it's displacing, but its density is more.
Here upthrust is more or here upthrust?
Upthrust is more. Because this side is more lighter than that which is.
Factor of course to depends on
Density of the body.
no. It depends upon volume of the body. Why it is denser?
From one part of the abdomen that is called the stationary scientific geostationary
Gariwala. Reaching to Gariwala.
I know, but I planned some other planning.
Why are you sitting? You are not supposed to sit. You have to do something. You have something. You tell. Photo आएगी ना ऐसे करके.
Setting your six section. Five
का एक सारा बढ़िया है। हरमन ज्योति सिस्टर हाँ जी that's right।
हाँ जी वो दिला के लिए तो चीज़ This is science encyclopedia. This is nuclear physics. This is space encyclopedia, and this is stories of Jesus Christ.
This software built in Flash, it is used to show the exhaust circuit. What happens here, the inner circuit, they are bits like 0 and 1. It's a binary language. This circuit is carrying a NOT gate. 0 is passed, it changes to 1. Having AND circuit, it will multiply upward is 0. Then OR gate is there, it will add the numbers. In a similar way, when our values are 0 and 1 converts to 0 and is multiplied
ਬਿਨਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਕਨੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਤੋਂ ਪਾਣੀ ਲਾਇਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਗੈਸ ਕਰਨਾ ਵੀ ਇਹ ਪਾਣੀ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਪਿਆ
ਉਹ ਡਿੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਉਹ ਬਾਲਟੀ ਦੇ ਬਾਹਰ ਨਿਕਲ
ਮਾਰੀ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ
ਪਾਣੀ ਬਿਨਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਕਨੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਤੋਂ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਪਿਆ ਵਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਵੀ ਪਾਣੀ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਪਿਆ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ the water is coming without any connection you have to guess the water is coming from where
This is the drip irrigation model. This is mainly used in the foreign countries, but we want to launch it in Punjab, so we have made this one. Here, the rainwater is, as we know that in the ground level water in Punjab is decreasing, so we have used this project. We are using this project to save water. In this, the rainwater is collected in a tank, and that water is used in the fields. Whenever we use water in the fields, we sprinkle it everywhere. But that water may or may not reach every seed. Sometimes it may reach in extent, or sometimes less water may reach to the seed, and it may destroy the seed. But in this way, we can utilize it more. Here, the long pipes are used in the fields, and the water goes drop by drop over the seed itself, so that the production will be more. And
what is your aim to implement this one?
the main aim of our project is, the first one is that we can save water, and the second one is that we can get the best production of the
Okay, so it will be useful according to you in the next coming life.
Yes.
It can adopt it. We can launch in Punjab. Is it costly?
It will be somewhat costly, but firstly we have to spend some money. It will be somewhat expensive, but afterwards we are paying. It will be useful because we are paying a lot for laborers also, so that money can be utilized here once we have.
Any other advantage it has?
No man is needed here. Whenever we are planting trees or something, or we are planting crops in the field, we have to water the plants. We have to see whether the water has reached to the every plant or not. But in this, no need of man, because we are making the nozzle or the hole over the seed itself, and it will reach to the seed. No labor is
So you are going to produce electricity by this process?
Yes. This is a hydroelectric. This is a hydroelectric power project made by us to show how the electricity is produced by using water. Firstly, the water is stored in large reservoirs in the form of potential energy. When the water flows under great pressure on the sloping surface, the potential changes into kinetic energy. This kinetic energy rotates the turbine fixed in energy, and the rotation of the turbine, that is the mechanical energy, changes into electric energy by the dynamo connected. This electric energy is transferred to the power station, where the voltage is stepped up to minimize the loss of energy in the wires, and then the energy is transferred to the transformers, where the voltage is stepped down and the current is stepped down, and then it is distributed to the houses also. For demonstration, the water flows under great pressure and the turbine rotates at a very great speed. This mechanical energy of the turbine is transmitted to the dynamo, and the dynamo converts the mechanical energy into electric energy. This electric energy is transferred to the power station, and thus the electricity is distributed to the house. The water is further used for irrigation purposes and for fishing activities.
Okay, so this is dynamo. So what is the function of dynamo?
It converts the mechanical energy into electrical energy.
Can we produce DC current also with it? DC current we can produce with it?
So you are producing AC current or DC current? Okay. So after this, you are delivering to powerhouse. Up to which voltage you can 132. We can minimize or can manage this more than this we can produce. So these wires are known as high tension wires. So this is multi-purpose scheme. So this water which is you are using, we can use for irrigation, and this one for fishing purpose, preservation.
Source of water in the project. It means you have started a project near the dam. It means you have survived.
This is our golden city. This is our golden city, and we have made a plan. Plan is just your ideas, but we have converted into the practical. That how you can make your city very good, very good. And here the plans are. It is one river, and we have many sources of the energy like wind energy, water energy is there, then our solar cell is there, and our windmill there. The dam will use the water to produce the electricity, and next time the solar cell will use the sunlight, and at the same time the windmill will use the wind energy. So all the three sources of energy we have used to convert the energy into the electrical energy. So we can provide the electricity to our city so that there must be enough electricity. Okay, after that the electricity problem is solved. The next is for the water problem. Water problem, here it is a river, and near it is our water purification plant, first water purification plant. Here the water of the rivers are nearly 70% pure, but we are here converting into the 99% pure water, and this water we will provide to our city. Here the city will use the pure water. This is our city, and after that in the end the garbage which will be come out from the city, that will be using our biogas plant. This is our biogas plant. Here we will produce the LPG gas in the biogas plant, and that which is as the LPG, and this gas is very useful in the kitchen purpose. And if we have the enough gas, that gas we can use in the generator in the industrial area, which will be used instead of the petrol or diesel. That will save our fuel. And after that the extract, which will be raw material, which will be left in this biogas plant, that will be useful in the farms, and that will be very useful for the agriculture purpose because it acts as a manure. And here in the farm, one benefit we have got that we will get the good agriculture, and after that some animals are there, and their extract we can also use in the biogas plant. After that only the water will left, that again we will purify. That water can be purified here, that will purify up to 60%, and that water will be usable in this industrial area. This is our industrial area, and here we have also a plan that here is a chimney, which is not an ordinary chimney, but it has a electrical precipitate inside it. You can see it like this, and also the battery is there. And here the high voltage will be supplied, which will attract all the harmful particles from the air, and only the pure smoke will come out, which will not affect our health. And that is our plan for the external city, that how you can use all the sources of energy. And after that we come to our internal city. This is our internal city. Here we have mainly concentrated on the safety of the people, that how we can make them very safe. And here the first of all we have a building. Here it is not an ordinary building, but there are shocker under it. And when the earthquake will come, the building will vibrate throughout it, but it will not destroy completely. It means we can save the lives of the people. And next to it is our small bank. But in this also we have used the safety precautions. And like this, Here, if any burglar will come and try to cross it, the wire will break and immediately this time alarm will buzzer on. It is a buzzer. Okay, this is also working. And after that, in our modern city, it is trend of the youth that they are trying to rule over, break the rules, traffic rules mainly. Here we have also a plan, and when a car will cross, imagine there is a red light and a person is trying to cross while it is the red light, and immediately when the person will come from the here, immediately here the police can get the signal. Because of here we have fit the LDR which acts on the light, and that's all. And after that, here a car is there. Any person who will try to touch your car, immediately again a buzzer will go on. Here the buzzer is there. Any person try to even scratch your car, immediately the buzzer will go on. And after that, a fire alarm is also there. When the fire will be put on in any house of the city, immediately the buzzers will put on. In this way, if any criminal activity will be there in our city, we can very easily detect it. And after that, it is our plan of the whole city.
Do you think it's practical? I mean, suppose if you want your city Moga to transform into this, is it practical?
Yeah, why not? But it's not there. Only due to the politics it is there that we cannot put in. There is enough money in the Muga also.
So your ideas can be transformed into reality.
Yes. It is your idea. We have converted into the project, and you can convert it into the reality also.
So this is what you are using here, this one. This one. This is a bimetallic strip.
Okay, so with the heat, what will happen to it?
This is based on the thermal expansion of the metal, and there are two metals used. That's why it is called bimetallic strip.
So these are all what? The name of these devices?
These devices are DC motors.
DC motors. Yes. So this system is for?
This is for converting light energy into electrical energy.
Light to electrical energy. And this is what?
This is water tank.
Water tanks were made.
For storage of water.
Storage of water. So, can you tell me that which energy this motor is converting into which form?
This motor is converting electrical energy into mechanical energy.
Mechanical energy. So, is it working?
Yes, sir.
Show me.
But if it's a problem because of gas problem.
So this is touch alarm, eh?
Yes,
touch alarm. If anybody. So these are the wires to supply from one to another system in this.
Yes.
And this is for what?
This is ordinary.
This is also one of the source of energy.
Yes, sir.
So this plant overall we can say that multi-purpose scheme to get the energies. Various sources are there.
Yes.
So there will not be shortage of power then?
No,
No,
sir.
sure.
If there is no water, then we can use solar energy. No solar energy, we can use water.
We can see
Wind energy is also there.
Yes, if there is nothing, then wind energy. Many sources were made, and that is for
this is a electric precipitator.
as a precipitator.
Yes. You can. We have made this project just to explain the importance of satellite in our modern life. This is our Earth, and this is 3 geostationary satellites around the Earth. These are revolving at a speed of Earth and at a distance of 36,000 kilometers. The electromagnetic waves are emitted from the radio station, and it is received by the geostationary satellite, and it is act as a mirror, and it will reflect the EMF waves to this geostationary satellite, and it will act as a mirror, and it will reflect the waves to the other part of the Earth, and it is received by this geostation, and we can convert this signal into TV signal. And for example, when we are cricket matches going in England, we can watch in India by using this technique only. We can also use mobile phone using this technique.
your project.
Yes, sir.
What is your main aim to show this one?
Sir, here we want to show that the paper won't burn because due to the oil is put inside. So the reason behind this is that the difference is in the ignition point. The oil will absorb the heat and it will lower the ignition point of the paper, so it will not burn.
So it means you can cook many things in your house in this paper.
Yes, sir.
Is it possible to boil water here? No. Same principle only. If you can take oil, then what is in here?
Yes, sir.
Then you say no.
Isn't this economical than the other plates which people use now?
The utensil we are using, that is very costly. So
Yes,
we can
sir.
use this one.
Yes, sir. The people, those who can't reach to the utensils, they can make this thing.
But it's being tried now.
Yes, sir. If you want to taste, sir, you can taste it.
Right.
Nothing poisonous, sir.
It's nothing. Anything is made of any chemicals or
no, sir. No chemicals.
No
Then
chemical
wine
mix.
in our house.
Nothing, simple oil.
Yes.
Is it pure oil or something
in the
mixed?
paper is made of any plate or any chemicals coated.
Sometimes coated.
No, sir.
No, only pure paper.
Yes.
Why you can't use this paper?
Because it can't hold the oil in it, the oil start leaking.
What do you call for? What do you say?
Top one.
A bit, sir.
So what is this?
This is a blank sheet. Blank sheet? Nothing written. Yes. Right? Okay, then what I have to do?
You must in this solution.
Immersed. Okay. Then what will happen? Oh, just amazing, eh? What is this? This magic. Which one is known as tear gas? Yes, sir. Answer. You don't know, I think next day you will ask me.
Just to focus.
Okay, so answer will also come.
Yes, sir.
So, answer will also come.
Yes, sir. When you immerse in sodium hydroxide solution.
In this it will not come. Just very amazing one. This is chemical reaction.
Yes, sir.
Eh?
Yes.
Very nice.
You immerse in this.
Oh, answer is coming. Oh, what a fantastic. Yes. Really. What is name? Vengeance? Right. Oh, yes. Just very nice.
Okay, this blue color is what's liberating from what's some.
Why this one is blue color and this one is of red color?
Potassium iodide solution.
ठीक है, वो potassium iodide you have written, okay ना?
Yes.
What is forming as a blue color?
As a blue color.
Potassium iodide reacting with potassium dichromate.
Which one is liberating as a blue color? Phenolphthalein is this red color is phenolphthalein. What is this blue color?
Okay, what do you call for this?
It's iodine. Okay.
Iodine. Due to FMCs. Blue color.
What do you call for this chemical?
Sodium hydroxide.
Another one? It's not dangerous.
No dangerous.
Thank you.
Hello.